In this video, I'll show you how to add scripts in Google Ads so you can automate routine tasks and manage your account more efficiently. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon in the top navigation. Under the Bulk Actions section, select Scripts. This area is designed for automation and lets you run small JavaScript programs that interact with your campaigns, ads, and reports. Click the plus button to create a new script. You can either start with a blank script if you already have code to paste in, or use a template provided by Google Ads as a starting point. Give the script a clear name and review the code carefully, especially any variables such as campaign names, labels, or date ranges. When prompted, authorize the script so it can access your account data. It's best to test scripts first and review logs before scheduling them to run automatically. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.